Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet account. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter your passcode. Now at this home page, there you can see the buy option. You can simply tap on that. Here now you need to search for Bitcoin. If you cannot see the option, then you can go at the search bar and search for it. After that, simply tap on Bitcoin. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. Here now you need to enter the amount that you want to buy. Trust Wallet automatically shows the conversion at the downside. Now after you are done, then you can simply tap on buy with credit card. And after that, you will be led to another page where you need to fill down your credit card details in order to buy the Bitcoin. And this is how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet account, but make sure you have sufficient balance for it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.